Hi Gorgies and Gents, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are well. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, your nephew, your grandma, your grandpa, your husband, your wife. I hope everyone is doing well. Today is travel day, my favorite day of any month, of any week. Definitely happy to be getting on the road again, but this time we're in the air, so it's not a road trip this time. We are off to Port Elizabeth. I did tell you guys in my previous vlog that I'll be traveling with two of your faves, and now I'm revealing because you guys are gonna see in this vlog anyway. We are going to PE. We've been invited by Radisson Blu, and the two ladies that I'm going with are, drum roll, Sine Gugu and Setati. You guys know them. They are YouTubers and content creators. I absolutely love them. So I was like, definitely need to get them on board. Let's go. I think we'll have some great vibes, great connection, a great time. So I'm really looking forward to it. And thank you so much to Radisson for sponsoring this trip. Like, you guys need to see our itinerary. They went all out, okay? So I'm looking forward to being in Port Elizabeth again. The last time I was there, I was doing a road trip with Uspogazi and we were doing a bit of the garden route. So this time we're just gonna be in Gqeberha. Let me not call it Port Elizabeth, I need to call it Gqeberha. So this time we're going to be hanging around in Gqeberha, exploring, seeing what Gqeberha has to offer, as well as showing you what Radisson Blu PE has to offer. It's going to be super amazing. Let me not say too much. Let me let you guys, watch the experience, okay? But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning Sabi and OG Gorgie, thank you so much for returning. Thank you so much for your support. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. But yeah, so now it's time for us to go to the airport. Lebonza is going from Johannesburg because she lives in Joburg. So I think her flight's probably leaving soon as well. And then myself and Gugu are in Cape Town. So I'm waiting for Gugu to come pick me up because we're taking an Uber together. So she's going to come pick me up and then we're going to go to the airport. So yeah, she said she was leaving her house a few minutes ago. So I'm guessing she's very close. Let me show you I'm traveling not light, but I've got everything in one bag. And it's so heavy. I'm very worried that I might have to pay an extra charge because I ended up putting my cosmetics bag, makeup bags, yonkinto in one bag. So this is the luggage bag I'm carrying. And then I have my tripod over there and then handbag. I had to end up taking this big handbag because I need to take my laptop and all of that for work because it is a Thursday today. And then I'm obviously going to put on my coat because apparently Gqeberha Gqeberha. So yeah, guys, very exciting weekend coming up. And I hope you guys will enjoy. I will see you later. Welcome to PE, girl.
My very first time. Tremble within. Love the smell of your hair.
We are finally in PE.
Never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be.
Hi guys.
How are you? This is doing my makeup.
This one's also going to be doing the same thing. Why are you guys so underprepared?
No, like I thought we would have time. Hi, Gorgies, your mother, your sister, your brother.
What a reunion. You didn't get a welcome drink? How? Okay. Okay.
I need you guys to go see what's in there.
Is this so? We must start doing my first drink video for TikTok.
Just know you don't have what I have imagined.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations to
Hey guys, welcome to Gqeberha. Welcome to Radisson Blu PE. I did show you guys a bit of what the room looks like. I just freshened up now, put on some lipstick, put on a dress that I'm going to be wearing today. We're off to our first activity. Our first activity is a helicopter ride through Port Elizabeth / Gqeberha. So I'm super excited because I've never seen Gqeberha from, you know, an aerial point of view. Super excited. We're ready to go. There's currently load shedding, which is a bit of a bummer because I'm about to show you my outfit and I don't want you guys judging it because it's a little bit creased, or maybe a lot creased. But yeah, we're going with the flow because this is a fun trip. This is, you know, introducing ourselves to travel again now that summer's here, now that we're having fun. So basically this is our summertime fun, okay? So I'm wearing this dress, which is from Bags and Bougie. It's a very cute dress. It's got this tie at the back and it's open. Really cute, love it. Initially I thought it wasn't my style and I was ready to like dismiss it because of the floraliness, but I knew that once I got like a face beat, maybe I would feel a little bit more comfortable in it. It's quite long also, love that. So I'm wearing my sandals, and yeah, I'm gonna go to the girls' rooms now and go see if they're ready. See you guys soon. What about the nails?
And Gugu. Oh, it's time for my outfit of the day.
Ooh. Yes, honey, it's the slit for me.
Yeah.
It's the slit for me.
My skirt is from Fushini. I bought this top from Superblist, I think last year, but this is recent. I think I bought this last week. And then the bag, Gucci Maggie.com, Maggie.com, and the girls are ready.
Yes, honey.
But you guys are wearing so much color, and I'm wearing.
But it's good. It's a pop of color, and like she's a pop of color, and then mine is like kind of white, floral, and then you're black and white. So we kind of all giving different moments. Charles.
Let's go, Gayleen. Ageko Umati. Ageko Ubay. Ageko U.
I don't have one. Yabona. The prejudice is already starting. The discrimination is already starting, guys. I deny it, guys.
We're not buying it.
I don't have a person.
No.
Girl, I don't have a man. I don't have one.
Why don't you have a man, Gorgie?
I don't know. Hi, guysy.
Oh, yeah.
How'd you call?
I can't believe you guys.
You didn't giggle.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not even gonna do it. What's again? Martini guys in there.
Keep him lani, Tommy. Keep him lani.
Guys, it's almost 4. Let's go.
Yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock, and the car's
Guys,
downstairs.
I'm not gonna show them on my vlog anymore. They can't act. They don't know how to act. But yeah, let's go. Hi, Gorgies. I'm here to recruit you guys to become part of my family, which is the VIP gang.
Okay.
Gang. Check out my channel, Snare_Guguletu, and
That's on period. Lebonza, say hi.
hi guys. Hi, Gorgies. Kind of ring your mother, your sister, your brother. I love that thing so much. Say it.
You know, I hated it so much in the beginning. Now I'm getting used to it because everyone seems to like it.
Your thing. Like
Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, your nephew, your grandma, your grandpa.
I love it. You must always do it, ne? Guys, please go subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Sitaitilitsipa. I'm Lebonza, guys. You will hear all about it when you get to that channel.
Yeah.
So yeah, how subscribing, guys?
Hey.
Okay.
We are now finally out. Look at the lighting here. It's so perfect.
Tati, did your vlog upload? Yes.
Let's go.
Why are you looking at my phone, guys? Oh, there you see, guys.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down dirt.
You've got yours, here's yours. Do you want to wear yours?
Kind of don't.
Okay, up to you.
Yeah.
If you need them, let us know.
You're so silly.
Watch that.
Cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time?
It was great, guys.
It
was amazing. I loved it. It was amazing. I don't think the video can do it justice.
Hey guys, we're back from the helicopter ride. It was so awesome. Honestly, if you live in PE or if you're visiting PE, I highly recommend you do that activity with like your friends or family, boyfriend, partner, whatever it is. But definitely go. So we're back. I literally just took off my bra, guys. I feel like it's just been weighing me down the whole day. We just went back to our rooms to charge our phones, and now everyone is ready because we're all hungry. We haven't eaten the whole day, so we're all ready to go downstairs and have some dinner. So that's what we're doing now. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I think the ladies are ready. Let me just check the group and let them know that I'm leaving my room. So yeah, oh, where are the lights? No more load shedding. We can have lights. We can have lights. Did I take my charger? Okay. So yeah, we had the best time. It was honestly a lot of fun. And now I need to get some food in this belly. In this belly of mine. So the hotel has a restaurant in the building. It's called Taboo Bar. So right now that is where we're headed. We're gonna have our dinner there, we're gonna have our lunches there, and we're also gonna have our breakfast there. So it is a really nice restaurant. It actually has a beautiful view. I'll show you now because the pool area is right outside the restaurant. So yeah, you'll see it in a bit.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home. But if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. Oh, and I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end.
Ladies,
The girls
on
are
a,
hungry.
I was about to ask, on a scale of hungry to starving, where you at?
Starving.
Starving.
No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close.
Can I have the sirloin, please? Yeah, actually, I was also looking at that. Sirloin, medium, 12, with rustic chips.
Yeah, rustic chips.
Are we gonna share wine?
You're the one to be wanna see, yeah. Cause you can handle emotions, So you wanna talk again, but it's time to do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end.
We are officially done with dinner. I'm back in my room. I'm about to run myself a nice bath and relax. Yeah, it's been a great first day. Definitely looking forward to tomorrow. I can't wait for you guys to see all that we're getting up to. But I'm hoping this vlog is helping you guys to see that there's so much to do in Port Elizabeth. There's so much to do. And I'm pretty sure that people that stay here don't even know that they can do aerial, views of Port Elizabeth and, these nice activities. So we're here to show you what you can get up to when you visit Port Elizabeth, or even if you live in Port Elizabeth and are looking for activities to actually do to entertain yourself. You can book yourself a staycation at Radisson Blu and then do all these activities. I really hope you've enjoyed the first day of our trip, and I'll see you again tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning, Gorgies and Gents. It is Friday morning and I just finished getting ready and getting dressed. I don't even know if you can see that. Is there a long mirror here? I don't think you'll be able to see my outfit. Anyway, it's fine. So I just finished getting ready and I'm going downstairs to breakfast. The time is 8:20 and I'm loving the weather in PE. PE yesterday, it showed us that I'm PE, by the whole wind and whatnot. But it was warm and it was hot and it was giving, so we could actually go on our helicopter ride. Today I woke up and it looked gloomy, but now I can see a little bit of sunshine. So I'm like, it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day for content. It's gonna be a good day for all the activities we have today. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, please. But yeah, let's go meet the ladies. I think I'm gonna be the only one at breakfast right now, but Tati said she was ready, so I'm hoping she's on her way downstairs as well. Let's go. So here's my breakfast from the buffet breakfast. I got some coffee, an omelette, bacon, mushroom, beans, hash brown, everything. And I got myself some fruit and yogurt and some whole wheat bread. Yeah, let's eat. Good morning, ladies.
Morning, Gorgies.
She's my doll. She's my
Doll.
Anyway, see you later, guys. Hey guys, so we're done with breakfast. We are now at Amani Spa, getting ready to have our treatment. Look at the gorgeous ladies filling out their forms. I'm so serious. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down and fill in my form as well. We'll see you guys when we're having our massage.
Right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
The girls are in their gowns. We are ready to be spoiled and pampered.
Let's rock.
Let's rock, me too.
No, but when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night time, get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go on.
Just got done with my massage. I'm feeling so relaxed. I also got a facial. Skin, guess it's skin. My skin looks so good. Oh guys, Inga, it's the second time I'm coming here, and the first time Inga was my therapist as well. She was my therapist again today, and love your work, girl. She's a Gorgie, okay, guys. Please support. Maybe I'll actually try and get her handle and I'll put it on the screen so that if you do come to Radisson Blu PE, you ask for Inga, because wow, your work is amazing. Love you, Kesisi. HBD. Guys, we're here. We're about to get on the horses.
I have Lacey.
Yo, so scared. We're getting on, guys.
Okay, non-storm, I am. Okay. Yeah?
Daddy. Yeah. Say hi. Guys, Achilles is so beautiful. Are you feeling bad for being scared and not wanting to do this? Because now you're enjoying it, I can see.
Yeah.
Come give us an update. How was that for you?
I'm not ready. I need to find myself.
Not ready for an update. But you said you wanted to be outside. Now you're outside.
Not like this, though. Not like this.
Not like this, honey. Ukuku nayo uyehla. How was that for you, Gugu? Never what?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was awesome.
Nice.
It was very
Now that
nice.
we're done, we can speak. Oh, thank you. I'll never take your horse from here to there. I must find it there. I just want to come pose.
You must find it at the beach and just pose with
waiting
it.
for me. Yo.
Wow.
I even took my vlogging camera thinking it's gonna be cute, guys. Yo.
But I told you, remember I said, I was like, tripod. Yo. Hey guys, it's been a while since we came back from the horses, and right now I'm headed off to dinner. I'm wearing my new hair from Adequate Hair Boutique. But yeah, I'm headed off to dinner. I'll see you there. Yeah, that's it. I think maybe Caesar we can add the chicken.
Okay, Caesar salad with chicken.
Period. Oh no, I was gonna take a picture of us.
I'm having the Caesar salad with chicken, and I'm having the Bayete cab sav. So yeah, we're gonna eat, drink, and be merry for our last day. This is basically the last supper, guys.
Yeah, it is.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating.
Hi Bo, goody morning. Ooh. Guys, welcome to another day. Today is Saturday and it is our last day in PE. It is our last day in Radisson Blu PE. So yeah, feeling a little bit sad. I'm not ready to leave. I'm not ready to leave. I don't miss Cape Town that much yet. But anyway, yeah, let's go down to breakfast. The time right now is, I think, 20 past 8. We're gonna have a quick breakfast. I'm gonna have something very small because I'm actually going on a breakfast date with a friend of mine. So yeah, and we're gonna be meeting for the first time. So I'm saying friend of mine very loosely, guys. Yeah, yes, EIG friends. But I love her so much. Yeah, you're gonna see when you see, and then you'll know when you know. Let's go.
Taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. Christmas season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number.
Thank you. Look who I'm with. The queen of fashion, honey. Fashionista yethu bethunani. Guys, so I've bought so many items from Wombagazi, and definitely top tier. You guys know all the time I always say, but quality on point.
Oh, thank you.
Quality on point. So definitely check them out. I'll leave the handle on the screen and you guys can go look for some items. Yes, mabathenge. Exactly. Akho mntu uzawubambi apha Wombagazi ekhona bethunani Wombagazi PE on Instagram, please. Akho mntu uzawubambi. Yeah, so we're having a quick breaky just to meet. Also, we're meeting for the first time. Can you believe it? And then afterwards I'm gonna go back to the hotel, get dressed to travel, because it's officially time to go back to Cape Town. It's time to go back to Cape Town. So guys, I mean, hotel beds are nice and all, but yeah, I need a bed sometimes. I can't wait to be at home. But it's been such a great trip, honestly. Anyway, guys, yeah, let me have my coffee, because the coffee girl, you guys didn't even see me drinking in this vlog. Please, Khanyi get wine, Gorgies get wine. I've been good this time around.
Gorgies.
See you later. Hey guys, it's officially the end of the trip. I just came back from my breakfast with Umbuki. Guys, she's so sweet. She bought me flowers. How sweet is that? I'm just like, how am I gonna carry them to Cape Town? But I'm definitely taking them with child. I love them so much. Love, love, love. But yeah, so this is the end, guys. I am changed in my tracksuits and, you know, travel friendly clothes. I want to edit this vlog on the flight. I want to start editing it so that when I get home I can finish up, maybe add some music or whatever, and then post it for tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed exploring Gqeberha, aka Port Elizabeth, with us. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the collab between myself, Tati, and Sine. It was really awesome. I loved meeting them. They're such great people. We hung out, we had fun. Yeah, so I'm guessing you guys will also be seeing the vlogs on their channels, so do follow them. I will leave links to their channels in the description box, so do check it out. And then yeah, guys, such a bittersweet moment. It's a bittersweet moment because I really miss my bed, but I'm also just like, I'm enjoying and like loving being here. So yeah, it's sad. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.